Here we have a 2025 Jeep Wrangler 4xe. Great Jeep, but the front speakers, not so much. So today we're going to upgrade them with some speakers from Audio Uprising. They'll set you back $249, so let's see if they're worth it. There you go. Got the tweeter too. Great. Pry it up. Hopefully pop the clips like that. We'll work your way around. Just pop them right up. And then the corner one here, it's a little more difficult. So you gotta get your pry tool right in there. So if I can get in there and hopefully twist it. There we go. Next, take my stubby Phillips head. Just undo these screws. This one's a little harder because it's an angle. So if you have a ratchet with a small socket, that'd probably be easier. Get this wonderful crappy speaker up. You're gonna want to push that button there. And then, okay, just like that. All right, you can see the difference. Obviously, it's gonna be the same shape. I have a tweeter here, mid-range. I can just plug this tweeter wire into the connector here, like that. And then we're gonna put the speaker in and tuck the wires in and snap in the cover. Okay, I connected the tweeter. I'm gonna just plug this in. Boy, I tell you, it's hard to not get in the way of the camera. So plug it in, tab up, click it in. Now here comes the fun part. You're gonna want to tuck the wires in. And there's a gap up front here for the wires to run for the tweeter. So I'm gonna tuck in as much as I can right now. Favor that front part. I'm gonna have the connector towards me, right at that gap there where the wires are running. And we're just gonna take our screws and put it in. Snug them up pretty good, but don't strip anything, but you don't want it to rattle, of course. Ideally, you don't want to crank one side down. Keep on going back and forth so it goes in nice and level. As you're putting this over, make sure you tuck this wire down the hole. Get that back clip in first. All right, it's all clicked in. Hopefully we're good to go. So far I like it. Got a little more high end, a little more mid-range. What do you think, Ray? What do you think? So I like it. A lot more high range, a lot more mid-range. Overall, it's not flat like it used to be. I really like it a lot. So I definitely recommend these Audio Uprising speakers. Let me know in the comments below. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you in the next video.